Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to upload a video on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to upload a video on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to upload a video on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to upload a video on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Uploading a video on YouTube is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons in top. Click on create button near notification. Click on upload video. Select a video. Scroll down. Select either the video is for kids or not. Now click on next. Again click on next. Again click on next. Click on public. Now click on publish. There you go. If you wanted to know how to upload a video on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.